class, good afternoon. Welcome back to our Science Online class. Okay, so this afternoon we are going to learn about the different kinds of flavors. Okay, so last time we talked about sense of smell, right? So this afternoon we are going to continue our lesson about sense of taste. Okay, but before that, we're going to talk about sense of taste. So let's talk about the different flavors of our tongue first. Okay? So our sense of taste comes from the taste buds on our tongue. These buds are also called papillae. But the sense of smell also affects our taste. Okay, so always remember that, kids, our nose and our tongue, it connects with each other, it helps with each other so that we can eat properly or smell the food that we like to eat. All right, so our tongue class have four separate flavors. The first one, there is salty, which is the taste of the fries is salty. Next is sweet, like the chocolate. So chocolate is sweet. Next, sour. So if you try to eat the lemon, then you can have the taste of sour. Next, it's a bitter gourd. So these vegetables is bitter, okay? Okay, next, let's learn about sense of taste more, all right? Okay, so here, friend of the tongue. So our tongue class has friends, okay? Sense of taste. So our tongue has different kinds of friends, all right? So your nose helps you taste foods by smelling them before they go in your mouth. And as you chew and swallow them, strong smells can even confuse your taste buds, all right? So as what I've said earlier, your nose can help your tongue to smell the food that you eat. Okay, so nose is one of your tongue's friend. Okay, next, your tongue also gets help form your teeth, lips, and mouth. Your teeth help your tongue grind food as the tongue mixes the food around your mouth. Okay, so aside from the nose, you have your teeth, lips, and your mouth also. Okay, saliva. Do you know what is saliva, kids? The water that insides your mouth, that is called saliva. Okay, so saliva is also a friend of the tongue. A dry tongue can't taste a thing, so saliva helps the tongue by keeping it wet. Okay, so if your tongue is dry, class, it cannot taste anything. Okay, so that's why we have saliva, so that it helps us to keep your mouth or keep your tongue wet. So saliva moistens food and helps to break it down, which makes it easier for the tongue to push the food back to swallow it. All right. So again, what are the friends of your tongue, class? We have nose, teeth, lips, mouth, and saliva. Okay, so these are the friends of your tongue that helps you to taste better, right? So here, look at your tongue. This is where the four tastes of your tongue. So near your throat, you have there bitter, side by side of your tongue, that is sour, and the tip of your tongue is sweet and salty, all right? And that hole inside your tongue, that is called taste buds, okay? So taste bud looks like this, right, class? So I hope you learned something for this, watching this video. And see you again tomorrow. Goodbye, class. Have a good day.